I gotta leave a day early as I'm heading now to pick Laura up from the Mullingar train station to go to Offaly for a weekend, which I'm also very excited for. But I'm a bit sad leaving all the college crew. That's our final time. Well, we're hoping this can be like an annual thing or a regular thing, because such a good bunch, such a good night. 4-hour drive, we better get moving. A few snacks for the road. So Google Maps, generally, you know, like any GPS, thinks it gives you the quickest route, you know, to your destination. But it has sent me through some mad areas of Northern Ireland.
Much later.
You ready? Woo! You keep that woo. I rate my put six wearing sunglasses.
So that was Glamp's Glamping. I hope we kind of do it justice to how nice it looks. Now we have driven out to Birr Castle out in Birr, County Offaly. The whole reason we're here is because Laura bought this trip for me for my birthday, which was about a month ago.
Birr, I'm awfully cold. Because I'm in Birr and it's in County Offaly. It's actually quite warm out though, but... I wanted to get the joke in before you stole it. I'm funny. Oh, Daniel, I can't stop.
So yeah, as I was saying, we're mid-exploring Birr Castle Gardens. Laura just barrel rolled down a hill, and now we're in. These are honestly such beautiful gardens that I'm going to take off this wide-angle lens, put on a cool lens, and get some cool shots of this place.
Continue for 1 kilometer. Told you. I am Google Maps.
That was Birr Castle. Birr Castle is really beautiful. There's a bit dodge flying the drone. Not sure if you're allowed to do that, but there. So yeah, we're heading back to Glamp's Glamping to, I don't know.
Drink.
Yeah, drink. We did have a stop in Tesco, a few cans, bottle of wine. You know, we did our one touristy thing for the whole weekend, so we're pretty much done now, I guess.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it like